What is PDF automation? And why every business needs it in 2026? What if your business could automatically create invoices, contracts, reports, certificates, and proposals without anyone manually editing a PDF? That's exactly what PDF automation does, and it's saving businesses countless hours every week. In this video, I'll explain what PDF automation is, how it works, and why it's becoming an essential part of modern business workflows. If you're new here, this channel covers practical business automation tools. If that's useful, consider subscribing. Let's break this down. Businesses create and share PDFs every day. Invoices, receipts, employee contracts, client proposals, purchase orders, financial reports, you name it. Manually preparing these documents takes time and increases the chance of errors. PDF automation helps solve this by generating documents automatically using data from your existing systems. What is PDF automation? PDF automation is the process of automatically creating, filling, editing, converting, signing, or sending PDF documents using software and workflows. Instead of copying and pasting information into templates, automation tools insert the correct data into predefined PDF layouts. For example, when a customer places an order, a workflow can instantly generate an invoice and email it to the customer, without any manual work. How does PDF automation work? A typical PDF automation workflow looks like this. A trigger starts the process. Data is collected from a source, such as a form, spreadsheet, CRM, or database. A PDF template is populated with that data. The finished document is generated. The PDF is emailed, stored in cloud storage, or sent for electronic signature. Once configured, the workflow can run automatically whenever new data is received. Common business uses. PDF automation is useful in almost every industry. Common examples include client contracts, sales proposals, invoices and receipts, employee onboarding documents, purchase orders, certificates, financial reports, insurance forms, medical documents, real estate agreements. If your team creates the same type of document repeatedly, it's a good candidate for automation. Benefits of PDF automation. Here are some of the biggest advantages. Saves time. Tasks that once took several minutes, or longer, can often be completed in seconds. Reduces errors. Because information is pulled directly from your data source, there's less risk of typing mistakes. Improves consistency. Every document follows the same professional format and branding. Scales with your business. As your business grows, automation can handle larger document volumes without requiring additional manual effort. Tools you can use. Many automation platforms support PDF workflows. You can connect PDF generation with tools such as N8N, Zapier, Make, Google Sheets, Airtable, CRM systems, e-signature platforms, cloud storage services. The right combination depends on your business needs and existing software. Real-world example. Imagine you own a marketing agency. A new client completes your onboarding form. Automatically, their information is saved. A service agreement is generated. The contract is emailed for signature. A welcome packet is created. Your team receives a notification. Client details are added to your CRM. All of this can happen automatically with a well-designed workflow. Who should use PDF automation? PDF automation is valuable for freelancers, agencies, small businesses, e-commerce stores, HR departments, accountants, consultants, healthcare providers, real estate professionals, legal teams. If your business handles recurring documents, automation can help improve efficiency. PDF automation isn't just about creating documents faster. It's about reducing repetitive work, minimizing errors, and allowing your team to focus on higher value tasks. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or part of a growing company, learning PDF automation can make your business processes more efficient. If this helped you understand where PDF automation could fit into your business, hit subscribe. I'm covering practical automation tools every week. Let me know in the comments what kind of documents are eating up the most time on your team right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.